is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it.
Amen.
Happy birthday, my bestie.
Thank you, bestie.
We love you so much. We love you so much.
Okay. I
Go
have
ahead.
2 wishes.
Yes.
Priscilla Mayrena's birthday celebration. Hindi dumating ang asawang si John Estrada sa anumang celebration ng birthday ni Priscilla ngayong taon. Kaya naman ngayon ay magiging wise na si Priscilla sa kanyang buhay. Another year wiser. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Sabi nga ni Priscilla sa kanyang post dahil birthday niya, like the phoenix rising from its ashes, I am reborn. Happy birthday to me. At nagbiro pa nga siya ng 21st birthday niya. I have 21 more days to celebrate it. Woot woot, hooray! Super thankful sa mga taong nakapaligid sa kanya, lalong-lalo na ang kanyang mga kaibigan. Dahil nga ang pamilya niya talaga ay nasa Brazil at ang mga taong nakakasama niya ngayon ay mga kaibigan at malalapit talaga sa kanya.
Happy birthday, dear bestie.
Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Oh my gosh.
Sa kanya. Hindi sa'yo.
Sa akin yung wish. Sige, you record. It's recording, bestie.
Oh. Today is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it.
Amen.
Happy birthday, my bestie.
Thank you, bestie.
We love you so
We love you
Thank
so
you so
much.
Okay.
Okay,
I
go
have
ahead.
2 wishes.
Yes.
Dalawa talaga?
Oo.
You guys are so generous. Okay, so...
Ikaw na kaya.
Ang hirap, ha?
Pagdali. Hold ka lang.
Hold your breath. Okay, go.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Pretend you just blow.
Sa kanyang kaibigan, happy birthday Queen Pri. May you find happiness in every situation. May there always be a reason to smile in every moment of your life. Thankful and blessed sa another year na ipinagkaloob sa kanya ng Lord. Sabi niya dito, Dear Lord, I am filled with gratitude for the countless blessings you have bestowed upon my life. You have provided me with more than I could have ever imagined and surrounded me with people who always look out for me. Your love brings me acceptance and significance, and I am thankful for the abundant life you have given me. I am surrounded by family and friends who bless me every day with kind words and actions. As I express my gratitude to you in prayer, may it be a pleasing, joyful sound to you. Thank you for your love, which fills my heart with warmth and gratitude. With love and thankfulness, yours truly forever, Priscilla. Marami naman na nagpaabot ng birthday wishes para kay Priscilla. OMG, we have the same birthday. Virgo girls are the best and strongest. Happy birthday, Queen. Mula pa sa isang commenter, happy birthday, Miss Beautiful. Enjoy your day. Mula kay Glenn Stewart, beautiful cake, have a wonderful birthday. Mula kay Sheila Donna, happy birthday to us, wishing you good health and more blessings. At mula naman kay Cassandro Costa, corrector, congratulations, cheers, and many more years to come. May God bless you always. At mula kay Samantha, happy birthday dearie, stay gorgeous.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ang cute ko. Happy birthday to you. Please make a wish. We love you, Free. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ang cute ko. Happy birthday to you. Please make a wish. We love you, Free.
Nakakalungkot mang isipin dahil taon-taon ay kasama niya ang kanyang asawang si John Estrada tuwing siya ay magba-birthday. Pero ngayong taon ang kauna-unahang taon na hindi niya kapiling ang kanyang asawa at hindi man lang siya binati nito. Kaya naman talagang mananatiling matatag itong si Priscilla at magiging wiser na raw ngayong taon, sabi niya dito. Kapansin-pansin naman na kahit nadagdagan ang edad nitong si Priscilla Mayreles Estrada ay mas lalo pa siyang naging blooming sa ngayon. Talaga namang kitang-kita ang kanyang glow up at syempre palagi na rin siyang lumalabas ng bahay at nakikipag-meet sa kanyang mga kaibigan at mas dumagsa pa ang mga project para sa kanya.